Hey friends, if you wish to install or add more RAM to a Windows PC, obviously this has to be done by a hardware technician. But here's what you should consider. First of all, search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab on the list on the left hand side and select Memory. In the memory section, you will find a lot of details here, the static part and the dynamic part. Check if or both of the slots are used or if something is empty, and even if they are used, you can remove one RAM and upgrade it. So where should you buy the RAM from? Now, I'm not promoting Amazon.com. You can use Best Buy or any other website, but I usually purchase from Amazon.com because it's easy to sort out that way. Okay, so simply make sure that you are buying the correct RAM, whether it's DDR3 or DDR4. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that even gaming RAMs are not that expensive. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.